So I recently purchased the xPulse 200, the Rally Edition specifically, and I was looking for videos to uh, figure out how to adjust the adjustable suspension, especially the front forks that it comes with. And I wasn't, able to find any videos apart from uh, telling that it is, you can set it with the 28 clicks. The red is for rebound, the white is for compression. Apart from that, there was no other information. So I thought I'll make this video. So I found the owner's manual of the Rally Edition, and there were details about it. I'll put the link of the manual in the description below. But to keep it short, let me quickly show you what is to be done exactly. So I'll quickly tell you the normal setting as per Hero and what is to be set as per Hero for a regular person or a regular ride. There's some more examples that is given in the manual. Maybe you can look through it and set it accordingly as per your needs. But I'll just quickly show you what is to be done. So let me change the view. As I've mentioned earlier, this is for compression and this is for rebound. So the left is for compression, the right is for rebound. And as per Hero, what you need to do is you need to turn it clockwise completely until it stops. So let's see, I don't even remember the count. Yeah, that's it. It won't go any further. So after this, 14 clicks in is what you need to set it to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Same thing for this. So I believe if you turn it clockwise, it stiffens the compression. But if you turn it anti-clockwise, then it loosens it. So the suspension becomes softer. Same thing goes for the rebound. 14 clicks after you turn it completely clockwise, turn it anti-clockwise, 14 clicks. So that is the front suspension. For the rear, the preload of course is set from here, but I need to open this panel to set up the rebound. There's only a rebound adjuster, and I believe the rebound is 10 clicks in. So I will quickly show you the screenshot that Hero has given, and you can set it as per your requirements. Maybe if you're on the road, you can set it slightly stiffer. If you're going to loose rocky terrain, you can set it to a softer setting. So I mean, this is for people who cannot get somebody to technically or professionally set up the entire suspension. This is for a quick reference guide that has been set up by Hero. It is in the manual, so it's easy for us to reference that and at least set it back to the company recommended setting, and not randomly have a regular setting. Because this is important, because when I bought the bike, I believe my rebound was only 5 clicks in, so that was on the stiffer side, or the rebound was too much, and I had to adjust that. So it's just better to check it. But to check it, you at least can reference something, a document, which is perfect. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Quick short video on how to adjust the front rebound and compression, and the rebound for the rear. I will link the document, basically the owner's manual with the exact settings for the bike. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the content, or if you want more content of this nature, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I would of course appreciate a thumbs up, or even if you leave a comment if you need something specific about this bike. Bye bye.